Welcome to Perfect Home Decor. Backyard deck ideas to inspire your next DIY project. Expert Design Guide. Most people look at their backyard and see what's there. The best DIY builders look at the exact same space and see what could be there. And the difference between those two perspectives is worth tens of thousands of dollars in home value and years of outdoor living you never got around to enjoying. Here's the thing about backyard decks that nobody tells you up front. Building one is far more achievable than most homeowners believe, and far more transformative than most homeowners anticipate. A well-designed deck doesn't just add square footage to your living space. It fundamentally changes how you relate to your home, your garden, and the people you share both with. I've spent years studying outdoor living design, working through DIY builds of every scale and complexity. And what I've distilled in this video is the educational foundation I wish someone had handed me before I started. These aren't just pretty ideas lifted from a Pinterest board. They are 7 genuinely buildable, genuinely inspiring deck concepts with the design thinking behind each one explained. Consider this your expert starting point for the outdoor space your backyard has always been capable of becoming. And idea number 5 is the one that consistently delivers the most dramatic transformation for the least building complexity. So stay with me until we get there. Quick pause before we get to the idea that delivers the biggest transformation for the least complexity. If this breakdown is already changing how you see your backyard's potential, that's exactly the educational perspective this channel is designed to share. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe, drop a like, and leave me a comment telling me what your backyard situation looks like right now. Flat lawn, sloped yard, small urban space, whatever it is, I genuinely want to know. Your comments directly shape the specific content I create next. Let's get into the 3 remaining ideas, starting with the one that surprises everyone with how much it delivers. The floating platform deck. Minimal build, maximum impact. If you've never built a deck before and want the highest possible visual impact for the lowest possible complexity, the floating platform deck is the place to start. Built low to the ground without requiring ledger attachment to the house, this freestanding structure can be positioned anywhere in the yard, detached from the house, centered in a lawn, or positioned to frame a garden view, giving you complete creative freedom that attached decks can never offer. From a practical educational standpoint, floating decks are also the most forgiving DIY entry point because they don't require footings in many jurisdictions, making permitting significantly simpler. The design principle at work here is intentional placement. The deck becomes a destination within the yard rather than simply an extension of the house, which creates a completely different and often more magical outdoor experience. The multi-level deck. Creating outdoor rooms without walls. One of the most powerful ideas in outdoor deck design is using level changes to define distinct functional zones without building a single wall or fence. A multi-level deck creates an upper dining zone, a lower lounging zone, and potentially a ground-level garden transition zone, all within one connected structure that flows naturally from the house into the landscape. The educational value of understanding this approach is significant for DIY-ers. Level changes don't just look impressive, they solve real functional problems. They naturally separate cooking and dining from relaxing and entertaining without any awkward furniture arrangement. In my experience observing and studying outdoor builds, Multi-level decks consistently deliver a disproportionate increase in perceived value relative to their actual construction cost. They read as architecturally considered in a way flat, single-level decks simply cannot match. The Wraparound deck. Connecting indoor and outdoor living completely. Where a standard deck creates one outdoor connection point, a wraparound deck multiplies those connections across multiple rooms and multiple solar exposures. Morning sun on one side, afternoon shade on another, evening light on a third. This dramatically expands how a home is used across the full arc of a day and across every season of the year. From a design education perspective, wraparound decks teach one of the most important principles in residential outdoor design. Outdoor living space should serve the full daily rhythm of the household, not just the one moment when everyone gathers for a weekend barbecue. The build complexity is higher than a simple platform deck, but the lifestyle transformation it delivers is proportionally greater. For homeowners serious about maximizing their outdoor living investment, this is the concept I find myself recommending most consistently. The Pergola-integrated deck, adding architecture above the boards. A deck alone defines the floor plane of an outdoor room. A deck with an integrated pergola defines the floor, the ceiling, and the sense of enclosure. Suddenly, you have an outdoor room rather than simply an outdoor surface. This is a conceptual shift that fundamentally changes how a deck feels and functions. The educational principle here is one of enclosure and human scale. People feel more comfortable, more settled, and more likely to linger in outdoor spaces that have some degree of overhead definition, even when that definition is as open and airy as a pergola. Adding climbing plants, string lights, or fabric panels to a pergola structure further deepens this sense of roomness. In my assessment, the pergola is the single addition that most consistently elevates a simple deck into a genuinely architectural outdoor space. The garden-integrated deck, where building and planting become one. Here is the idea that consistently delivers the most dramatic transformation for the least building complexity. Designing your deck so that planting beds, garden boxes, or even mature trees are integrated directly into the deck structure, rather than existing separately around it. Cutouts in the decking around existing trees, built-in planters along the perimeter, or raised herb gardens flush with the deck surface blur the line between built structure and living garden in a way that no amount of potted plants placed afterward can replicate. The design education principle at work here is integration versus addition. The most beautiful outdoor spaces feel like the building and the landscape grew together organically, rather than one being placed next to the other. This approach also happens to be structurally simpler than it appears, since planter cutouts reduce the total decking material needed, while dramatically increasing the visual complexity and perceived design sophistication of the finished result. The rooftop or elevated deck, making use of every vertical opportunity. For homes with flat garage roofs, raised foundations, or sloped lots that create natural elevation changes, an elevated or rooftop deck unlocks outdoor living possibilities that ground-level thinking completely misses. An elevated deck above a garage turns unused roofing into a private outdoor retreat with elevated views that dramatically change the experience of being outside. From a structural education standpoint, Elevated decks require more careful engineering consideration than ground-level builds. Load calculations, waterproofing of the structure below, and appropriate railing heights are all non-negotiable elements. However, for homeowners with the right site conditions, no other outdoor addition delivers a more dramatic lifestyle upgrade per square foot. In urban and suburban environments where ground-level outdoor space is limited, vertical thinking is one of the most valuable skills a DIY homeowner can develop. The night-optimized deck. Designing for after dark from the beginning. Most decks are designed for daytime use and then lit as an afterthought. The most sophisticated DIY deck projects in 2026 are designed from the beginning for how they will look and function after the sun goes down. With integrated LED strip lighting in the stair risers, low-voltage path lighting along the perimeter, overhead string lights on the pergola, and strategically placed uplights in garden beds visible from the deck. The educational insight here is that a deck used only during daylight hours is a deck that sits empty for roughly half of all possible outdoor hours. Designing lighting into the structure from the beginning, running conduit before the boards go down, planning switch and outlet locations before the framing is complete, costs a fraction of retrofitting it afterward, and delivers an outdoor space that genuinely extends your living hours into the evening every single day of the year. And there are your 7 backyard deck ideas. Each one a genuine starting point for a DIY project that could fundamentally change how you live in and experience your home. The most important thing I hope you take from this educational breakdown isn't a specific deck style. It's the design thinking behind each one. Because understanding why a concept works makes you a better builder and a more confident decision maker at every stage of your project. So tell me, which of these 7 ideas fits your backyard and your ambitions best? Drop it in the comments right now, because I read every single one, and your situation might become the basis for a detailed build tutorial. If this shifted how you see your outdoor space's potential, subscribe so you don't miss the next video, hit like to help this reach another homeowner whose backyard deserves better, and I will see you in the next video, where we are going step by step through the planning and permitting process that makes every deck build go smoothly from day one.